Slide 173, Lesson 8, Verb stems, Hithpael, the reflexive verb stem. The Hithpael stem is an intensive action with a reflexive voice, or sometimes a passive voice. So it's intensive action with a reflexive voice. So if we take the kal verb for he killed, katal, and we change that to Hithpael, it becomes Hitkatel. Hitkatel. He killed himself, or committed suicide. Hitkatel. So instead of creating a totally new word for committing suicide, we just take the word for killed and we add the hey and the tav there to the front of it, and it changes from he killed to he killed himself or committed suicide. So that's a Hithpael reflexive. Now let's have a look at another example. Chava, which means he hid. It's when Adam and Eve hid from the Lord. Chava becomes Hitchabe. Hitchabe. He hid himself. He hid himself. Again, a reflexive form. So the identifying characteristics of Hithpael stem are a hey with a chirik and a tav and a vocal shiva prefix, producing the hit, very recognizable hit sound in the Hithpael stem, and a dagesh forte in the second root consonant. So here we have the dagesh forte, doubling or hardening the sound of the letter. Alright, let's have a look at some examples. The first example, Ashia hit makir. Ashia hit makir. La asot hara. Ashia hit makir. La asot hara. Which did sell himself. Hit makir. Makir means to sell. It was one of the names of one of the descendants of Manasseh, Makir, which did sell himself to work wickedness. Which Ashia hit Makir sold himself or sell himself to work or to do la asot hara, evil or wickedness. So that's a third person masculine singular. Hit Makir, to sell himself. Okay, another example. Va'ani hit chazakti. Va'ani hit chazakti. Ki yad Yahweh Elohai Elai. Ki yad Yahweh Elohai Elai. And I was strengthened as the hand of the Lord my God was upon me. Va'ani hit chazakti ki yad Yahweh Elohai Elai. And I was strengthened. Hit chazakti. So you could say I was strengthened myself. I became strong. So it's a reflexive thing. Again, it's something that you're doing to yourself, or something that was happening within yourself. In this case, as the hand of the Lord my God was upon me. So that's a first person common singular. Hit chazakti. And the word chazak means to be strong. Okay, next example. Va'el ha'am tomar hit kadshu lamacha. Va'el ha'am tomar hit kadshu lamacha. And say thou unto the people, Va'el ha'am, and to the people, tomar, you will say, sanctify yourselves. Hit kadshu lamacha, tomorrow. So Kadash, Kadosh means holy. Hit Kadshu means sanctify or make holy, make yourself holy, or make yourselves holy. This is a common plural. So that's the third person common plural. Sanctify yourselves. Hit Kadshu. Okay, and a imperfect example. Ki al kul yit gadal. Ki al kul yit gadal. For he shall magnify himself above all. Ki al kul yit gadal. And above all, al kul, upon all. And that is a third person masculine singular imperfect. So let's have a look at the tables. Slide 174, Lesson 8, Verb stems, Hithpael, the reflexive verb stem. Okay, so let's compare the tables. Here's the Carl Perfect, and here is the Hithpael. And it's very easy to recognize the Hithpael because it has the hey and the tav right in front of the rest of the verb. Very, very simple and straightforward. And it has a dagesh forte in the second root consonant just there. So Shamar, he guarded, becomes hit shamir. He guarded himself. Hit shamir. And Shamra, she guarded, becomes hit shamra. Hit shamra. She guarded herself. Hit shamra. And you can see the pattern going all the way down there. So that's the Hithpael, the reflexive verb stem.